Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am sharing the fabrics. These are Lori Holt fabrics. This is a collection for January 2025. Here's a better look at the Lori Holt Fat Quarter Club collection for January 2025. Not these. Those are the ones I've already had, but it's right here. What's nice is you always get a sheet that lists all of the fabrics that are in the bundle in case you want to order some more. So those are the colors. And then, of course, this is what I've got for the vintage Christmas quilt along. So I am getting a collection of Lori Holt fabrics. What do you think? Today, I'm going to open up my new Fat Quarter Shop subscription. Well, it's not new. This is my second month. And this is the Lori Holt Fat Quarter bundle. And I'm getting this from Fat Quarter Shop. This was the fabrics that I received last month. And this one that I bought was like a daily special. Ooh, look at this. This is the January 2025 Fat Quarter Club Lori Holt 40 fabrics. Now, those are some colors I don't have. Especially the purples. This is her hometown collection, and I am using this to do the vintage Christmas quilt. And I've got January and February done of the blocks, and I still will be doing March. I'll do March next. Let's take a look at these fabrics. They're pretty colors. I know this is it's a curated bundle. Whoop, don't have that right, but this one I've got right here. There's that one. Oh, I've actually got this one too. This is one I already have. The rest of them I don't. Purple. That's a pretty one. Lavender. Another lavender print. Nice big green, like a hunter green. Another green. This is different with the little milk, sugar, cookbook. There is a blue plaid. Like I said, I've already got this one. I think I've already used it in a block. And this and that. So that is my newest Lori Holt collection of fabrics.